This is the GoPro Max versus Galaxy S10. So for this first test, the GoPro is filming in 360 30 frames per second. The S10 is filming with the mid-range lens with no stabilization turned on. Walking, jogging, and running. Now the S10 is filming in what they call hyper smooth. We're walking, running. Now what's super crazy about the GoPro is that because it has a completely spherical view, it has a ton of compensation it can make with keeping the horizon level, which means we can turn the camera completely around, upside down, and everything stays level. Now let's do an audio test. The Galaxy S10 is channeled all the way to the right ear. The GoPro Max, the audio is channeled all the way to the left ear. So if you're listening in headphones, you can just switch back and forth, listen to one side or the other. Left is GoPro, right is S10. Now let's go ahead and look at the different lens configurations. The S10 is now filming with the zoom lens, and the GoPro is filming in narrow mode. Now the GoPro is filming in linear mode, which is as wide as it can get without any fisheye. The S10 is filming with its native lens. This is the S10 super wide lens and the GoPro wide lens. And now the GoPro is in max super view mode. Now the full 360 resolution on the GoPro is 5.6K. But if you switch it over to hero mode, which means it's now only looking out the front, it's only 1080p. The S10, on the other hand, can film in both 1080p and 2K. Also, when filming in 360 on the GoPro, you only have 30 frames per second. And the highest frame rate you can get is 60 frames per second, but you only get that when shooting in hero mode, which means it's not 360 anymore, you're just looking out the front. The S10, on the other hand, can film in 60 frames per second, 2K, and it has settings for Slo-Mo and super Slo-Mo, and the super Slo-Mo is really slow-mo. Here's an example. Yeah, I filmed that on my phone. If you want to see how, here's a video right here. This camera is really nice when you're filming by yourself because you can just set it there, it's hands-free, and you can get these really nice panning shots without anybody helping you. My channel is all about cameras, photography, video, basically just a place for me to post the art that I make and show you how I made it and with what equipment. Sometimes doing reviews like this, other times just showing you how I edited a photo or how I captured those photos. Make sure to go check out my other videos right here, and I will see you guys next time.